What's up guys, it's TJ with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get up to 15 stocks for free. It's absolutely crazy, but I'm doing it right now and I'm going to show you guys how to do it too, because hey, we're all about helping the average person get ahead, and if you can get something for free, why not? So you guys have probably heard of stuff like the Coinbase app, Robinhood, stuff like that, right? Those are apps that you can buy and sell stocks or crypto, etc., right? Well, WeBull is a huge platform that's very well known, and they're doing their biggest promotion yet. So when you sign up for an account, when you sign up for a trading account, you're gonna get 2 free stocks, right? If you deposit any amount, so I deposited $10, right? You deposit any amount and you're gonna get an additional 3 stocks for free. So that's a total of 5 right now, right? And then if you refer one person, just one person, so it could be friend, family member, whoever, right? Someone that wants to open up a trading account as well, then you get 10 additional free stocks. So you would get a total of 15 free stocks, and then the person that you refer, say they put $10 in their account to fund, they're going to get those 5 for free as well. And then if they refer a family member or a friend, then they would get 10 as well. So a 10 extra. So up to 15 stocks you can get for free. Absolutely crazy. I'm going to go ahead and open some of mine up so that you guys can see what I got, and we're going to do it together. So let's go to the WeBull app. I'm going to have the link down in the description, so make sure you guys use that. And so you guys can see right here, when you open up your account, you're going to get those 2 free stocks, and then there's these 2 white boxes below. Make a deposit of any amount and receive an additional 3 stocks valued from $7,000 to $3,000, and then referral bonus, get 10 more stocks when you refer a friend to open an account. And then of course there's the individual promo screens you guys can see here. So this is the extra 3 that you get. So like I said, I deposited $10. So you guys can see, if I go to this icon in the middle and hit transfer and go down to the bottom, you can see $10 in transit. So right now I have gotten my 2 stocks for opening the account. It takes a few days for your transfer to officially hit your WeBull account. So I think it said like 4 to 7 days or something like that. So make sure you do it pretty soon, because it does have to be in there before the end of the month. So make sure you guys jump on that. So I'll get those additional 3 free stocks as soon as my deposit clears. So I can use it inside the app right now, but it's technically not cleared, so I haven't got my 3 free stocks. But so far I have 12. So you guys can see it says you have 12 rewards to be claimed. So I'm going to open up those right now. That's 2 for my opening the account, and then I referred one of my friends / family members to open up an account for themselves. And yeah. So that's how I got to 12, and then I'll be at 15 once that $10 deposit. So it's pretty sweet, pretty crazy. Make sure you guys use the link in the description, and make sure you guys give the video a thumbs up for sharing this awesome information. So, all right, let's go ahead. Let's start claiming these rewards. So just so you guys know, this is an official trading account. So just like if you opened a Robinhood account before or Coinbase, you're going to upload your driver's license. They're going to need your social security number, because hey, if you make $10,000, guess what? The government's going to want their little piece of the pie, right? So just so you guys know, it's just like Robinhood or any other accounts. You're going to have to put your information in there to open your account. All right, let's start claiming these bad boys. Y'all ready? All right, just hit the claim now button. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. CX 526. Okay, got 1 share of that. GNW 382. All right, so now I'm on. So that was my 2 for just creating the account. Let's open up these 10. All right, got GRAB for 375. GW again for 32. GW again. What is GN? W's. All right, it's all going. Probably this video. Jeez, what is GW? All right, cool. So on the very bottom of this page right here, it says customers may hold or sell the awarded stock that has been credited to their account. Money received from the sale of the stock can be withdrawn or be used to buy other eligible securities in the account. So that's awesome. So pretty clear that you can withdraw it. All right, sweet. So there's the 12 stocks. And remember, there's still 3 that I haven't got yet. I'll get as soon as that $10 hits. So let's add these up real quick. So I got 10 of the GNW, which right now is worth $3.82. Let's just say that the other 3 that I get are right around that same price range. So let's say that we have 13 of those. We got one at $3.75 and we got one at $5.26. Boom. $58.67 we just got for free for opening a WeBull account. So that's pretty awesome. Hopefully you guys get some huge stocks because they can go up to $3,000 per stock that you get. So really, really exciting. So make sure you guys jump on this. Be sure to use that link in the description and yeah, go claim your 15 free stocks. And make sure you guys give us a thumbs up for sharing this info with y'all. And we will catch you guys in the next video. See y'all next time.